Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust camber on coilovers. First, understand that camber refers to the angle of your wheel relative to the road, impacting both tire longevity and vehicle handling. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands on a flat, stable surface. Gather all your tools, including a floor jack, appropriate wrenches, and a reliable camber gauge. Safety is paramount throughout this process, so double-check all your equipment. Now, let's prepare your vehicle for the adjustment. Begin by slightly loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you intend to adjust while the car is still on the ground. Then, safely lift the vehicle using a floor jack and secure it firmly on 4 sturdy jack stands. Once the car is stable, completely remove the wheel to gain clear access to the coilover assembly. Identify the camber adjustment points, which are typically found on the top hat or camber plate. With the wheel off, you can now make the actual camber adjustment. Carefully loosen the bolts that secure the camber plate or the top hat of your coilover. These bolts allow the top hat to slide. To increase negative camber, which is often desired for performance, slide the top hat inward towards the engine. Conversely, sliding it outward will increase positive camber. Make small, incremental adjustments, perhaps moving it by just a few millimeters at a time. After making an adjustment, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower the vehicle back onto the ground. Now, it's time to measure your new camber setting. Use a precise digital or bubble camber gauge against the wheel to get an accurate reading. If the camber isn't exactly where you want it, repeat the adjustment process, making smaller changes. Once satisfied, ensure all bolts are securely tightened to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Finally, recheck your camber one last time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.